Here's the GoPro Hero 13. I'm going to show you how to turn off the front screen here. Now, there's two ways you can do it. You can turn off the screen right from the quick GoPro app, or you can do it from the GoPro itself, okay? So turn your camera on and then slide down from the top, slide it down to the bottom here, okay? And then when you're here, by default, it's set to this icon right here, okay? So if I tap on this right here, and this is for the front camera, okay? So front display, and I think that's actual screen, okay? I can tap on that and be the actual screen, or I have another option. I can do full screen for the front, or status only, or I can turn off the screen, okay? So if I turn it off like that, I can go ahead and tap on OK, and now you can see that it's off, okay? And if I want it back on there, I can just tap on there, that little X now, and I'll put it back to actual, and then I'll check right there, and then you can see if I swipe up here, now the screen's back on. Pretty simple.